Hey friends, welcome back. This is She's At It Again. My name is Tanya, and in this video, you are going to see the final step, if you will, to the fish or shrimp tacos. Now, they're interchangeably pretty much all the way through, except for the seasoning that I use for the shrimp. I don't necessarily use on the fish, but you can do what you want to. So this is a video that's going to show you how to cook the shrimp. It cooks fast. I say it in the recipe. I'll say it again. Just know that you need to have everything laid out and prepared, almost have your guests sitting down at the table before you start cooking this shrimp. It's going to go really fast, but have your dry seasoning mix made up, and you're going to start cooking your shrimp in your hot skillet, and it's going to go quick and it's going to be good. And you're going to top it with your shrimp taco or fish taco sauce that we did another video for, as well as use your homemade flour tortillas we did another video for before this. And then have your shredded cabbage. I had a friend say, you should really shred that cabbage a little bit thinner. So shred your cabbage as thin as you want. Nobody died eating mine, but had I had more time, I'd have probably shredded it thinner. He was probably right. So shred your cabbage thin, and really that's all you need for these shrimp or fish tacos. So enjoy the video, and I hope you try it. Okay guys, I just wanted to show you how the shrimp looks when it's starting to cook. In here I have a mixture of 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika. So there's not a lot in that jar, but that's going to season our shrimp once it starts cooking. So I have a tablespoon of butter. My skillet is heating up. We'll wait till that gets coated in there because I don't want my shrimp to stick to the skillet. Even though it's a ceramic nonstick skillet, I'm not a fan of Teflon, so we use ceramic when we do have nonstick skillets. I don't have a lot of them, but it still has a tendency to stick just because of the nature of the product. So we'll get our butter going in there, brown that just a bit. And the only thing better than butter is browned butter. We have our heat turned up to about medium high. Now our guests are on the way over. They were going to be here a little bit later, but just got a text from our friends, and they said that they got off work just a little bit early tonight. So we were expecting them in about 45 minutes, but he's changing clothes and they're gonna be right over. So we'll have more time to visit. We're not mad about that at all. Okay. I've rinsed my shrimp and I have it drained, and it's laying on a paper towel, kind of soaking up that excess moisture. We're gonna hit it with the skillet. I can always add more, but I can't add less, so I'll put part of it on there. As soon as shrimp turns pink and opaque, it is done, and that's when you take it off the heat. So we have our shredded cabbage, our flour tortillas, and our fish taco sauce that we made in the video. Unlike beef tacos where you put lettuce on them, you put cabbage on fish tacos and shrimp tacos, and they are so much more filling. It's amazing how you can fill up on 2 or 3 tacos when you could probably eat 8 regular beef tacos and still keep going. I'm going to keep that heat high. Okay, I think this may be able to handle the rest of it. These are not spicy things that I've put in there, except for the pepper. Just gives it a lot of flavor, particularly the smoked paprika gives it that smoky taste. So we're also serving the Mexican rice casserole that we made a video for. We made a video on salsa, and I'm serving that tonight with tortilla chips. And our apple crisp for dessert, we had a video on that too. So any of these videos that are not included in this one, be sure and check those out. All right, I am going to put a lid on this, capture that heat, keep an eye on these. But for right now, our shrimp is almost done. I don't want to really overcook it, but our friends will be here any minute. I'll take it off the heat in just a bit. But as far as the shrimp for this, those are done. So you have all the information you need for a dinner of shrimp tacos. Thanks for watching, guys.